Infinix Note 50 series to arrive with one new variant. There is great news for Infinix Note smartphone lovers, as 4 models from the upcoming Infinix Note 50 lineup have appeared on GSMA's smartphone index. Its predecessor, the Note 40 series, impressed users worldwide with unexpected features for a budget phone like wireless charging capabilities and the inclusion of a mag kit. So, we expect the Note 50 lineup to come up with some out-of-the-box specs. According to GSMA's smartphone index, the models include the Note 50, Note 50 Pro, Note 50 Pro Plus, and a new surprise edition, the Note 50X, with model code X6857. However, no specifications have been released yet, leaving room for speculation. Meanwhile, the standard Note 50 model number X6858, is expected to succeed the Note 40's base model, which supports 20W wireless charging. On the other hand, the Note 50 Pro, X6855, may take over from the Note 40 Pro 4G, which features a Helio G99 chipset and offers reverse wireless charging. At the top end of the lineup, the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is anticipated to be a 5G supported device with model code X6856. Following its predecessor, it could arrive with a Dimensity chipset to support 5G. Though technical details remain under the hood, the 4 upcoming models hint at an exciting range for the Note 50 series. So, stay tuned with us to know about any latest news regarding the upcoming devices.